Capucine are siblings. They are French and have been living in Shanghai for the past 3 years, during which they have had the opportunity to make friends from all over the world.
Come on, you two. Let's find an idea to celebrate World Children's Day at school.
While their mom was explaining what they could do, Tao cheekily whispered to his sister,
Follow me, I have an idea.
What a surprise! Capucine discovers a huge magic trolley filled with pots and pans, bowls and spoons.
The adventure starts now, big sister. Let's go on World 2. Bring all of the recipes of a friend to a mom.
Tao unrolls a world map. They pick their friends' countries together. Italy, China, France, Mexico, Venezuela, Brazil, Belgium, Algeria, South Korea, Switzerland, and Germany.
Well, little brother, it's going to be a huge trip. Where shall we begin?
Tao's eyes start to twinkle.
We can go and find Camille and Emily and Jingzhou in China.
You just listened to the first episode of A Cooking Journey. If you love the story, do not hesitate to like the video, talk about it, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at Les Aventures de Tao et Capucine. And to get your book, go to amoureuse d'une tarte au citron.com. See you!